Count me in, Mike. Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Blake Carrington, CEO of Bernarx Records, Bernarx Industries. We coming up. We about to do it real big. Big shout out to Bronze Blaze and the whole OK to Be You event, the whole movement, the whole clothing line. Miss Tonya Burrell. I like to say peace to Miss Tonya Burrell and her Sinful Delights. I feel fortunate, man. You know, I feel fortunate that I'm a part of this whole OK to Be You movement. It's a great opportunity. I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. I'm having fun with it. I'm embracing it. I'm killing it. Shout out to my team, yo. Shout out to Master MC. Shout out to my co-CEO of Bernarx Records, Big Toast. Shout out to everybody. Q. Shout out to everybody that's making it happen. Shout out to everybody that's in my corner. To all the people that believe in me. Big shout outs, man. Blake Carrington 2013 is over. 2014, look for some things, man. Check out that Touch Money joint. Check out Keep Me Coming. Check out Pay For It. I got a couple of things going on, man, and I really wanted to thank God for them all. You know, without him, none of this would be possible. I got an opportunity to lay some shit down, you know, so that's what I'm here to do, and that's what I'm gonna do. Shout outs to the whole Bernarx team. You know, shout outs to everybody that made this possible for me to sit here to do this interview. I'm out.